In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages on Squarespace. This skill is invaluable whether you're tweaking your site before a big reveal, doing some maintenance, or simply want certain information accessible only by specific URLs. No matter your reason, hiding pages on Squarespace can be done in just a few clicks, and I'm here to walk you through each step of the process. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace homepage. It's where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this to move forward. Now, Squarespace gives you a few options for logging in, but for simplicity and speed, click on Continue with Google. This allows you to log in with your Google account, streamlining the process, especially if you're already signed in on your browser. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account associated with your Squarespace site. This step assumes you've previously linked your Squarespace site to a Google account. If you haven't, you might need to log in using a different method tied directly to your Squarespace credentials. Following a successful login, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. Here, click on the specific website you want to work on. Squarespace might list all your sites if you have more than one. Just be sure to select the correct site to continue. Once you've accessed your website, it's time to zero in on the specific page you wish to hide. But first, we need to navigate to the page management section. Do this by either clicking on Pages from the dashboard directly, or by navigating to your site's unique config URL, which might look something like https://yoursite.squarespace.com/config/pages. This direct approach takes you exactly where you need to be without unnecessary clicks. In the Pages section, you're confronted with a visual hierarchy of your site's pages. Locate the page you wish to hide, and you will see a small gear icon adjacent to the page name. This gear icon is the gateway to modifying your page's settings, so go ahead and give that a click. Upon clicking, a settings menu will appear, offering a plethora of options. However, your focus should be on one setting in particular. Enable page. By default, pages are enabled when created, making them visible to web visitors. The trick to hiding your page lies here. If the enable page option is checked, simply uncheck it. This action essentially makes the page invisible to your audience, though it remains accessible to you for editing and preview. After you've unchecked the enable page option, one last crucial step remains: saving your changes. It might seem obvious, but it's a common pitfall to navigate away without clicking Save, rendering all changes ineffective. Therefore, be sure to hit that Save button solidly before moving on. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a page on your Squarespace site. Remember, this change isn't permanent. Should you decide to make the page visible again in the future, simply revisit the page settings and re-enable the page. Squarespace's flexibility in managing page visibility is a powerful tool in your website management arsenal. Use it wisely to craft the perfect online presence for your audience. In closing, I hope this tutorial has made the process of hiding pages on Squarespace clear